Hey friends, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Cricut video. Today we're making this oh so cute TV box that also holds a gift card. So if I open this up, you will see inside there's a spot for a gift card to go. Super cute and very easy. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are inside Cricut Design Space. I am on the welcome screen. We're going to go right below where it says recommended for you and click on new this week. Now where it says new projects, go to the right and click on the arrow until you come across the retro TV gift card holder. Go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up a preview window. Very bottom, choose customize. I'm not customizing anything. I just like seeing the pieces before I cut them. All right, so it does come in all grouped together. We're going to right click on that and choose ungroup. So we have this is for the gift card insert. Then we have the box itself. This piece is for the back. So if you want to write a message on the back of your box, you can do that. Then we have this piece, the knobs, and also the antenna. Upper right hand corner, click on Make It. You will need 4 pieces of cardstock. You'll need a 12 by 12 for mat 1, a piece for mat 2, and they're the same color brown, a medium color brown for these pieces, and a lighter color brown for that piece. I'm going to go ahead and click on Continue, cut everything out, go to the table, and we'll put our box together. Alright, we are back. Everything is cut out. I'm first going to work with the box. So go ahead and finger press on all those score marks just to kind of get them started. Then we'll go back in with our bone folder and give everything a nice crease. Okay, let's take our bone folder and go in there and give everything a good crease. So our box is done. Now we have the gift card holder insert. Again, I'm going to finger press all these score marks. Okay. Grab this one down there, and these ones. And our last one right here. Okay, now before we do anything, we're actually going to assemble our TV. So we have this piece here that's going to layer on top of that, and then we have this piece that's going to go on top of that, and our antenna. So our antenna we're going to hold off on. Let's go ahead and work on this light brown piece, and we're going to attach our knobs. So I do have them in a little bowl over here so I don't lose them, and I'm just using my art glitter glue. Maybe, there we go. Sometimes it gets stuck on me. Let's grab our other knob. I'm going to have this one go a different direction. And then we have these other brown pieces, and you will see these are the, I guess, the dials. And you will see one end has a triangle on it, or a point. You want to line that point up with the point on this piece. And when I made this, I wasn't sure how it was going to go together, so I just basically followed all the colors inside Design Space, like the colors they had. So you can certainly customize this to be whatever colors you like. It is a really, really cute little box. Alright, that's going to take this piece and we're going to adhere that one to that one. And then just line it all up. The bottom and the sides and the top. Okay, that is done. Now we're going to adhere this to this piece here. And the window that's on here, it reveals the gift card that you put inside. Okay, so there's that. All right, now we're going to go ahead and work with this piece first. Now this piece, if you want to, I'd recommend cutting this piece out in white. This piece is supposed to go on the back here for a message. I'm going to put it there, but I'd recommend inside Design Space cutting this piece to be white. But it goes here for your little message. And this piece is just a gift card template. So if you want to use like a photograph, you can, just trace that. But since we're using a gift card, we don't need that. All right, so now we have our gift card piece. So you will see we have this flap here and this flap here. We're actually going to take those two flaps and glue them together. Okay, so I'm going to put some glue along this piece and bring your other piece up to it, lining it up on the sides. Make sure it's nice and straight. Just give that a little squish. All right, and then these pieces here, these little pieces, they go down. They're going to serve as like a little shelf for your gift card to sit on. So I'm going to put some glue there and then bring this one on top of it like that. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys this a little bit closer so you can see that. Okay, that's how that goes. All right, now we're going to take this whole piece and glue that to the inside of our box. I do recommend on this piece you want to use a nice strong adhesive. So I'm going to just sit it in there, making sure it's even. You can also, while you're here, just go ahead and push this up just to kind of keep it in place. And then take your fingers and go under that just to really give that glue a good push. Okay, all right, now we're going to put glue on our side pieces. Okay, now it's going to get glued to the TV itself, just lining it up on the side. I'll do this one first. I want this piece out of that. So it's in this piece, the flap is going to go between the gift card holder slot and the box. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put glue on these two flaps here. And again, I'm going to kind of open this up a little bit to put my flaps inside here. Okay, just like that. I'm going to close that one and close that one. So that quickly our little box is together. Now if you want to, you could glue your gift card pieces. You can glue them to the side. I did not do that, but that is another option. All right, now we have this piece here. This I will say is very, very finicky. We're first going to work on our antenna. So you will see there's 4 score marks here, or 3 score marks. Go ahead and score those. Okay, so it's all scored. Now if you see, we have this round piece. You want to glue that round piece to this tab. Okay, we're going to first do that. So take the little round piece, and we're going to glue that following the crease, or score there, and with this score here, just kind of put it there in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to bring that up so you can see that. Hopefully you can see that. I should have used different color cardstock. All right, now the other 2 score marks you're going to ignore. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to close our box. So I'm going to go ahead and push this in a little bit. This is the hardest part, trying to get this little piece inside that piece. And I do recommend using a good cardstock for this so it doesn't tear on you. I thought I had it. There we go. Okay, so that's closed. Now we're going to take this part of the antenna, put glue there, okay, and then just bring it over onto the box. kind of fiddly. Okay, so we have our antenna there. You can do the antenna first as well. All right, now let's go and take a gift card. So I'm going to put this in here, and then 2 little slots. Okay, like that, so you can see how you see that through the window. This is actually a credit card, but I didn't have a gift card. But again, with this piece, you can trace it onto cardstock. You can do a photograph. Really, really cute. Again, let me try to get that lined up in there. You know, if you want to, you can take something. I'll take my spatula just to make this a little bit more opened. That might make it a little bit easier putting that piece in. There we go. That does make it easier. Look how cute that is. And you just straighten out your gift card like that. Isn't that adorable? Right? So, so cute. I have a card kit for you. So everything you need to make the TV box is inside here. And I did put the antenna and these buttons and knobs inside little baggies so they don't come undone. But how cute is that little box, right? I mean, absolutely darling. All right, my friends, there you have it. Super easy TV box, a gift card holder. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.